accidentally, like my hand is connection some pitch, it doesn't burn your.
Okay, so she's getting water on top. Is that good?
And when this one is boiling, no, it's not good. Now it's cool, it's okay.
It's okay.
But when this one is too much hot, it's very dangerous. It's
Yeah, because it
splashing
can
on
splash
your
back
face.
at you. So.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, good job, really.
She used to work in a bakery.
No, she used to
Yeah.
work at a pizza
Yeah.
baker.
Yeah.
But it reminds me of a galette.
Yeah, it does. It reminds me of dough or
Yeah.
pancake.
Yeah, be careful. Don't push on the top because maybe it's boiling inside.
And then it will pop. Yeah.
Your finger, burn your finger, something. Okay, add more on the top. You can now use with
Oh, the spoon?
spoon because you need a little bit. Now take this one.